Are you looking to start your own taxi application like Ola and Uber? Then this is the best video for you. In this video, we are going to discuss our latest launch taxi application. So in this application, you can choose your pickup and your drop location like this easily. You can also book a car for rental like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours and more. You can also book a car for outstation trip like one way or round trip. In this application, when a customer books a cab, the nearby drivers will receive the booking and they can accept the booking. In this application, we also have wallet, refer and earn and SOS settings for safety features of customer. This is available with online payment gateway. If you are looking for an application like this, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit raunix.com. In this application, you get a customer app, a driver app, a admin panel and complete 1 year free technical support. Remember, in taxi applications, when a customer book a cab, he can choose different available vehicles like a car or a bike or a auto rickshaw. He can choose any vehicle and that particular vehicle drivers will receive bookings. They can accept the booking like this. The customer can pay by cash, online payment or wallet. So if you are looking for a complete taxi app and ready to launch like Ola and Uber with daily booking, rental booking and outstation booking with online payment gateway and refer and earn, then you can contact us directly. The details are showing on your screen. And now let's understand the admin panel of this application. The admin panel, the customer can be controlled and can be seen. The admin can see the drivers, their wallet, their orders. They can also see the current booking going on. They can also change the status of any booking. They can also see the driver total booking today. They can also see different vehicles available and they can also change the vehicle type. They can also add different taxes and much more. If you want to know more in detail, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, or you can directly visit raunix.com so our consultant can help you the best. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.